Hey everyone, in this segment, we're going to talk about the dirty dogs of Robinhood and why you should stay the heck away from DraftKings. Now, I want to be fair. If you're an early member of Sweet Spot Stocks, this was our first issue, and the stock went from under $20 in the teens all the way up to about $35, and that's when I got out. So, yes, I may have got out a little too early as the stock traded up to 64. But when this stock was around $50 a share, trading all the way up to the low 60s, Robinhood traders piled in. Now what's happening? They're getting their butts kicked as this stock has been down 4 days in a row, below 43 a share, and there is no more bullish view in sight. The CEO and insiders are dumping shares massively. And if you think about it, yes, sports betting may be the next big wave, and it is growing. But who the heck is watching sports right now? NBA Finals, lowest ratings ever. My own Tampa Bay Bucks with Tom Brady. People can't even go to the stadium anymore. The baseball, the Rays. I think they're in the World Series or lost. I haven't even checked yet because I don't even follow sports right now because they're boring, okay? And I get people want to bet on sports, but when you have crazy valuation, when the sports really aren't even going on and people can't even attend the games or go to Vegas and bet and be degenerates out there, why in the heck are you still in love with DraftKings, you Robin Hood donks out there? This stock could be in free fall. Look for the mid-30s for support. And if support breaks, I don't want to call another Nicola, but I think this stock could possibly see 25 per share here. So Robinhood, DraftKings, I don't love you right here. I think you want to hit that sell, liquidate, go neutral button here in Robinhood. There's better alternatives out here like Penn, but even Penn, the famous Barstool Sports name, it's even starting to show signs of exhaustion and could trade to that $50 a share level back where it has support. So that is the dirty dogs of Robinhood.